It's very important for the Sri Lankan, India, Pakistan. For them, it's very important.
No, fuck them.
Better,
So-
I can tell you. You can tell
So
me.
what is that license you're talking about?
It's they are calling third country license.
Okay, in Sri Lanka, from Sri Lanka.
No, not Sri Lanka. You know, example. There's a one hotel. Is the name Vachia Hotel.
Okay.
That owner they don't have the license to hire the third country people.
Okay.
The third
okay.
country people mean Sri Lanka, Bangladesh,
Not from
Pakistan,
Europe. Not from Europe. Okay.
So they need that license from the government in the Cyprus.
Okay.
So if they have, they can hire us. Without this license, they cannot hire.
Like we are here, it means they have the license
They have.
in our hotel.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then assume
okay.
they have that license, so they can hire us. That some people they don't have this license. Only they can work in the Italy or Poland. They can work, but
Okay.
for us, we cannot work there
Oh,
because they cannot
something
issue
new.
the
Man.
insurance.
It's something new.
If you go into the interview, you have to ask, you had third country license. If they said no, you cannot go there.
So company need that license, right?
Company need that license.
Okay.
yes.
So why we will ask if you have license or
Because
something?
it's happened to my friend. So because my the McDonald's, they also don't have that license.
Now I understand what you're trying to say. You're trying to say that if you're getting hired from some people directly,
Yeah.
just to double check with them that they have a license or something,
They are
because
calling the name
third country license.
yeah.
So if they have the license, so it's easy for you to come here. Otherwise, you will be in a you are thinking that you will get hired. Oh my God, I get to know for later. But later on, you will get information from them that we cannot do this.
Because
So
it's
this
happened
also,
in the McDonald's, same thing. They said yes, we can hire, and they sign everything, agreement, everything.
Okay.
After a month, they also said they cannot hire.
Welcome to Cyprus.
Is the thing. They don't know
Okay.
their rules.
So there will be so many things that we have to understand.
He went to the interview.
Okay.
And she asked if you can hire me.
Okay.
He said yes, of course.
Okay.
After 1 month, he said he cannot hire.
Oh.
He said I cannot hire you because I don't have this license.
But this person knows that
Cyprus-
she's from Sri Lanka.
Yeah. Already informed I am from Sri Lanka. You need this license because we know better.
Because maybe later on he understand that I need that license
that
and I
license.
cannot hire after 1 month. And anyway, you waste your time also. It's kind of waste of time
Yeah.
because you think that you got a job, but still after 1 month you understand that this thing happened.
And